I'm Brian Raymer. I'm the Director of Transportation here at Martin's. Today I'm here to demonstrate the Smashburger grilled cheese. When it comes to grilling, there's nothing puts a better smile on somebody's face than to fire up the old grill and get cooking. So let's get started. All right, today we're going to be using the flat top griddle. I have a 3-zone heating arrangement here. One's at 350 and I got 2 other ones here at 400. Really make that meat sizzle. So when you're thinking about smash burgers, you think about rolls. But today we're going to use Martin's potato bread for our smash burger grilled cheese. I also have here caramelized onions with thyme, butter, and a little Pennsylvania twist. We put apple butter in with it. For the sauce today, we're going to use a combination of ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, pickle relish, for a little twist, apple cider vinegar. For our cheese today, the classic standby American. For the meat today, we're going to use a certified Black Angus 80/20. These are 4-ounce meatballs that are at room temperature. Well, let's get started. As you can see how the caramelization comes up around the burger, that's whenever you want to make sure that you get up underneath it and don't lose any of that goodness and that crisp. We're going to add the caramelized onion. About a tablespoon to a half per. We got the special sauce. And American cheese. Now ahead of time we prepared Martin's potato bread buttered. We're going to place that over here. Let them get golden brown. We're going to let them toast to be golden brown, then we're going to flip them over, get the other side, and then we'll be ready to eat. And there you have it, the Martin's Smashburger grilled cheese. For this recipe and many like it, go visit us at potatorolls.com/recipes.